Woo! Look at the bitch braids.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how I did these box braids. Easy hairstyle, 30 minutes, boom, you're out there looking cute. Please go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Let's begin. So for this hairstyle, guys, I'm going to be using my yarn wool. I'm also going to be using rubber band. I then went ahead to section the yarn to the length I would like it. I think I used about 4 or 5 yarn wool for this hairstyle. I'm trying to recall. Taking my rat tape comb, I'll start by sectioning the back of my hair, just like I'm doing, guys. After sectioning off the back of my hair, I will divide it into 2 parts and then secure it with my rubber bands. Next, I'm going to go ahead to section off the front of my hair. I will section my hair from ear to ear and then go ahead to use my shine and jam to neaten the parts. I will then divide that section into 3 boxes. After sectioning all of my hair, it was a total of 8 boxes. I'll go ahead with the hairstyle. I'll apply my hair wax to my hair and then make sure this is neat. You know, we have to be looking cute. I'm going through my hair with a comb now to make this nice and sleek. Next, I'm going to go ahead to oil my rubber band. I always oil my rubber bands so it will be easy to take them down to avoid breakage of my hair. Also, while putting the rubber band on the hair, you don't want it to be too tight so it won't give you a headache. I'm going to take my wool and secure it with a piece of rubber band and then place this on my hair. After securing it on my hair, I will divide it into 3 and then I'll go ahead to tuck in my hair with the middle and then just braid this like I normally do. After braiding it to the end, I will secure the ends with the rubber band. I'll go ahead to repeat the same thing here. I'll take down the rubber band and then apply my hair wax, making sure it is sleek. and then I'll secure this with a rubber band. I'll also go ahead to secure my wool with a rubber band like a ponytail, and then place this on my hair. I go ahead to divide the yarn wool into 3 parts and then tuck in my hair with the middle and just go ahead to braid it. After braiding it to the end, I will use my rubber band to secure the ends. So I'm going to go ahead to repeat this again and again. I'll leave you guys to watch exactly how I do it, in case you didn't get it earlier. Also, you can go ahead to pause or rewind, or just so you can get exactly how I do it. Let me tell you guys, this hairstyle is very easy to achieve, very beginner friendly. Actually, I saw this hairstyle on, I think her name is Tupo, and I told myself that I'm going to give this hairstyle a try, and this hairstyle is very beautiful. So I go ahead to apply my edge control on my edges and then just tie this down, and then this is the final look of the hairstyle, guys.
Woo! Look at the bitch braids.
Okay guys, I had to, knitting this up and then bond the ends off camera. This hairstyle turned out so cute. Let me know what you guys think of this hairstyle, guys. Please give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe. Thank you all for your support so far. I'm so excited, guys. We are almost at 1,000 subscribers. Very easy and beautiful braids. It turned out so cute. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys in my next video, or you could check out my other videos.